Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Welcome back to another Too Many Freaking Crafts. I'm Ryan Ruth.
And I'm Crockadylan.
That's Crockadylan. And we're working on custom Funko Pop Rainbow Brite figures.
Now we're working on Lurky.
This is Lurky. This is what we've, what I've built and put together. Now Dylan is going to paint him.
Yes, I'm going to make him look like, I'm going to make him look like this. Like he looks like body shape, yes he looks like that, but he's now
We got paint
white.
him.
He's just white. Murky, I lost the present!
Okay, so Dylan's gonna be doing that. I'm working on Brian, who's like the human friend from Earth. Alright, sounds good? Hey. So we're gonna need some more clay. So we're gonna extend his arms a little bit, and we're gonna sort of fix his pants.
Honey, where are my pants?
I wonder why Lurky has antennas. Is he like a bug?
Well, all the sprites have like antennas, so maybe he's like, what if he's like a mutated sprite? Mind blown. Alright. So we're adding to his pants. We're adding his iconic number 11 sweater.
I am 11.
And we're probably gonna add to his arms. We do need to attach his arms to his body again.
Oh no, not again.
But I'm just trying to decide if I want to extend his arms so they're more proportionate. Because part of my whole point of cutting apart that race car driver to make Brian in the first place was I wanted to make Brian significantly taller than everybody else because he is in the show. I think Brian's like 11. He's 11 or is he 12? I think he's almost 12.
My finger is covered in chocolate.
Chocolate.
That's not chocolate. That's not chocolate.
No! Stop! Stop
What's
throwing
it?
my idea!
Ah, boo.
No! I was avoiding, so I was trying to avoid saying that word!
Anyways.
It did not be spoken!
Too late.
I mean, you made me sad.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. If you want to think of it chocolate, fine. Just please don't try to eat it. It's paint. We don't eat paint.
Remember kids, don't eat paint.
Don't. Brian is like 11 or 12, but all the kids in Rainbow Land, including Rainbow Brite, look like they're somewhere between 6 and like 8, maybe 10 at the max.
Interesting.
So in that mindset, it's kind of creepy for him and her to be a thing, you know?
Oh, they're not. She's her boyfriend. As I have said before on this show, if you have been watching all the episodes,
Well, I've watched
her
it, yeah.
boyfriend is Red Butler.
Yeah, I know
Rainbow
that.
Brite-
I've heard you say that.
Okay, Rainbow Brite is dating Red Butler.
Is that like official in the canon? Or...
I have decided it. I don't care what anybody else thinks. There's clues within this show that they're a thing.
You know, there's always like those kind of things in a fandom. Like there's always like those kind of speculations. Like nothing is actively like called out by the show, but there's also a lot of people who have like their
They're gonna
own.
leave it open for interpretation, kind of a thing. Okay, what I was gonna say is, so while the kids in color in Rainbow Land look significantly younger, in reality, there's something like, you know, if they're supposed to have been there since, you know, the beginning of time, and because, you know, it's their job to keep color in the world.
And since they're basically like gods or immortal beings.
Yeah, so we're assuming they're like thousands or hundreds of thousands of years old. So they may look like little children, but they're not. So maybe they look like little children because they have the innocence of children. Are you waiting for something to dry? Is that why you're doing that over there?
No, I'm just entertaining the audience. Skippity doppity doo dah, hippity hoppity hoo ha. Karate.
There you go.
I'm Be a weird person.
And all the answers to life's questions were
Alright,
were not answered.
So
just
while it's drying, and before I get more chocolate on my hands, I'm going to color his skin. This is just a theory episode. Like, first we reference Map Pack, then 2 possible Rainbow Brite theories. Like, this is just theory central. Rainbow friends.
They should be the rainbow kids. Why aren't they the rainbow kids?
Well, because they're color kids. It's like you got Rainbow
They
Brite. She's
represent-
already
yeah,
Rainbow
you're right.
Brite. Like, there's only one character whose entire thing is just the rainbow itself. So every other
you're
character
right,
is
you're
just the
right.
color.
She's the
She's
leader of Rainbow Land. The rest of them are in charge of just their own little colors.
Like she's also like the Rainbow Queen, basically.
Yeah, she's the queen of Rainbow Land, and she's queen of all color, and she controls all color.
Your Majesty.
Now I'm kind of just gonna.
You gonna go wash your hands for a moment?
Yeah, I probably
right.
should. I'm gonna wash myself off with all my chocolates.
Alright, don't lick it. Not chocolate.
I'm not gonna like it. I'm not.
You can call it chocolate, but it's not chocolate. Still back
With jazz hands.
with jazz hands. Clean jazz hands.
They're clean now. They're not just jazz hands. They're clean ones.
They are chocolate free.
Alright, well, there's Llewellyn's eyes. It makes him look kind of dead.
So here's the thing though, with Pops, they kind of look a little like otherworldly because they don't have colored eyes, they don't have pupils, they're just like pure black or they're pure white, and that's generally what they look like most of the time. Okay, feel free to show the people up close there
Okay.
what you've got going on.
Here is what he looks like right now.
Okay,
Kind of creepy.
kind of creepy.
Yeah.
So we've got pants all the way to the bottom. There's his pants. Right, good. Okay.
Found your pants. Series is over.
You're shaking the whole thing. No, not good. Okay, so there's his pant legs. He has pants. All the way down. That's gonna help secure his legs.
The problem I have is getting into crevices,
Yeah.
especially on this particular Lurky.
Mm-hmm.
As if there's multiple. Let's pretend there are multiple Lurkies.
Yeah. In other situations where he's worked on Lurkies, it was much easier.
Yeah.
This is not his first
one
Lurky.
This one specifically, though, is very
Very
tough.
difficult. Yes, yes. Okay, so there's one shoulder on. This. Alright, so we've added shoulders over here again. And we're working on blending this together.
Oh, yeah, you blend.
Alright, so there's Brian's body. His arms are attached now. He's got like a sweater. His pants are thickened up. Didn't quite fix the problem with his legs. We might have to figure that out later. But there he is. Come together nicely, and then we can start, maybe put his head on at some point here, and then he can become Brian. We're all done for the day. I got some work done on Mr. Brian.
And as far as I'm concerned, most of Lurky's fur is brown. And there's some spots I missed, and I kind of burned his face off, kind of.
It's a bottom coat. We have more coat to put on, but we got started with Lurky,
Next time I'll wait till the paint is dry before I put extra coats on.
Yeah. Well, that's all for today. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Another Too Many Freaking Crafts.
Too many birthday